If we take a point from axis, this is question number
22.
Question number 22, right? So what is, if we have a coordinate axis like this, this is y axis. Actually in my copy it's hidden. So what next we have to do? We have to go in x. They need reflection in y axis or from origin?
From y-axis.
Huh?
From y-axis. D and E is the origin.
Huh? No. D is not origin.
So इसमें given है plot the points A,
हाँ वो
B,
तो
C,
ठीक है.
and D and E is the origin. And second part is
नहीं, and D and E is origin. वो A B C D and लिखा हुआ है, and for D and E is origin. That is a different thing. And reflection occurs in,
y-axis.
sure?
Yes.
I am doing the things accordingly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are saying that, fine. If I will be wrong, then I will record it.
So
Okay.
y-axis.
Huh?
Y-axis.
ठीक है. हाँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is -1, -2, -3. We do not want that. We have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are the coordinates given to you? A is
0,4.
A is 0,4. Okay. B
2,
2,2. C
5,2.
5,2.
D is
D
4,2.
4,2. And E is
0,
0,0, means at origin. So here is E, that is 0,0. Okay. Now we take first 0,4. 0,4 is this, right? So A is 0,4. It is invariant for y-axis. Invariant for y-axis, right? Then we have, this is 0,4. Then you have 2,2. Oh, 2,2 will be 2,2 will be here. This is 2,2. B is 2,2. C is 5,2. 5,2. This is, we have C is 5,2, right? And D is 4,2. So this is like here 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. This is we have D. So what we do now? What do you have to do? What is question?
Join the points in order. Join the points in order A, B, C, D, D dash, E dash.
Reflect B, C, D. Okay. B, C, D को reflect करना. A is invariant, no issue. We have to bring it on the other side. So this is minus 2 comma 2. This is B dash minus 2 comma 2. फिर C dash is minus 5 comma 'This is we have C dash, that is minus 5 comma 2, and we have D dash, that is this is C. So you bring it here. This is D dash. D dash is minus 4 comma 2, right? And this is B dash, that is minus 2 comma 2. Okay, so now join. So these are the values of. So C dash is having a value of
Sir, आपने D को 4 को multiply.
minus 4 comma 2 ना? हाँ?
4 comma 0 है.
You told you what you told me here.
4 comma 0.
If it is 4 comma 0, that I was thinking कि ऐसा कैसे होगा? Anyway, this is 4 comma 0, so it comes here. 4 comma 0. This is D. It is invariant for x-axis. For y-axis it becomes, it is not like this, it becomes minus 4 comma 0. It will be here, and D becomes minus 4 comma 0. Okay, now what we have to do?
Join in order A, B, C, D, D dash, B dash, C dash, A.
A, B,
C, D.
okay. First we have to go A, B, C, D. Okay. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to D dash,
dash to B dash.
D dash to
B dash.
it is wrong.
D dash, B dash, C dash, A.
When we are coming A, B, C, D, na? Then D dash.
D dash, B dash.
Then C dash, B, A dash is accepted. But if we go like this, then the figure get changed. Figure get changed, na?
Seven-sided heptagon.
Okay, this is and this is. So, okay, so this is one, two, three. This whole is as a 4. Whole is as a 4. Then we have 5. We have 6. We have 7. So quadrilateral with 7-sided called heptagon. Okay. This is we are joining A, B, C, D, D dash,
B dash.
B dash and C dash. Right? Is it? But if it is A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash and B dash in the same order, then what happens?
Star.
Then what do? You will join this D dash this is D dash, then we have C dash, then we join B dash, and then we join A, right? Like this. So again we get in that scenario, you get 4 sides are fixed here. This is we get, this is we get 5th, this is we get 6th, this is we get 7th. Again we get the heptagon 7-sided, and it is reflection of that. This is symmetrical, right? This is symmetrical.
Geometrical.
Symmetrical means it is having equal half. If you coincide it, they will overlap each other. So this is symmetrical, but this is not symmetrical.
Geometrical.
Geometrical means geometry is everything is geometry. This is also geometry. Geometrical is not wrong, but this is geometrically symmetrical. This is symmetrical. Symmetrical is what? When an object, when this is the y-axis is line of symmetry. Y-axis for A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash. So y-axis is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Right? So this is symmetrical figure. If we take this A, B, C, D, D dash, C dash, B dash, and then A. This is symmetrical. But what you have taken A, B, C, D, D dash, B dash, C dash, A dash. This is geometrically, but it is not symmetrical. Right? This is we have. This much is sufficient?